Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we're looking at a phrase that you'll hear very often in the business world, which is to get the ball rolling. So without further ado, let's take a look at what exactly it means and break it down with some key examples. Before I do, just a gentle reminder to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. It's a big help for me when it comes to the YouTube algorithm. So thank you so much for your support. So now let's take a look at what exactly to get the ball rolling means and how we can use it effectively in the workplace. So this phrase simply means to start or initiate a process or project. So it's particularly useful when you do want to start a discussion, a project, or kick off any type of business activity. You'll hear this phrase used in various contexts, such as starting project meetings, initiating email discussions, beginning negotiations, and launching new initiatives. For example, in a meeting, your manager might say, "We need to get the ball rolling on Q4 planning. I'll schedule a kickoff meeting for tomorrow." Sound good? So notice how natural that sounds compared to saying something like, "We need to begin the Q4 planning process," which is something that we may have learned from a textbook. The example given is much more dynamic and it actually signals action. A second example would be in an email. So for example, you may write, "To get the ball rolling on this project, I've attached the initial requirements document." So here's what makes this phrase effective. It's informal, but still professional, suggests momentum and progress, and it's widely understood across different business cultures. Also, if you've made it this far in the video, here's a pro tip. This phrase works best when you're ready to take action immediately. Don't use it if you're just thinking about starting something or just thinking about some ideas or brainstorming. Some effective examples to use this might be, "Let's get the ball rolling on those interviews," or "I'll get the ball rolling on drafting a proposal." These two are perfect examples. Remember, using this phrase creates an expectation of immediate action. It signals that you're taking initiative and you want to move something forward. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and in the next video, I'll break down a new business phrase that you can use and take into the workplace. Also, just a quick reminder, these videos are all part of my new newsletter community, which is found in the link in the description. If you want to be a part of that, click the link in the description, join the newsletter community, and I'll see you in the next video.